Keller Williams, we are back with another command tip, and today we're going over the referrals applet. It's going to be right over here on the left side of your screen with the little person in kind of that upside down raindrop looking piece right here. And referrals are great for connecting with other agents in different states that you may or may not be licensed in. And I want to show you that my favorite feature here is the map function, and there's some kind of layers to this, so I'm going to show you a couple of cool parts of the map. And the first piece I'd like to show agents is right here in the production dropdown. We can switch this to referral patterns, and this is going to show us the referrals going in and out of different cities through the KW world. And so I like to come in here and just type in Denver, and you can see this is for showing us all the different referrals going out of Denver. I can see that they're going out because of the arrows pointing away from our city. And then over here on the left side, you can see where those referrals are going. Number one, referrals are going to Colorado Springs. That makes a lot of sense, but you'll see Arizona is in there up at the top, that a lot of people are moving from Denver to Arizona. But really, I find a lot more value in coming up here and switching from sent into the received referral. So where are people coming into Denver? And there's a big eye opener here that Arizona is in 5 of the top 6 cities that are leaving from the Denver metro area. And that means that you probably want to have a referral partner down there in Arizona that is going to be able to send you those people that are all moving from their world into the Denver market. And once we know what city we're going to target, that's when we'll come up here and switch back to production, and we're going to switch this to the city that we're looking for. And we saw Scottsdale was the first one on the list there. And so let's go to Scottsdale, and you see that's going to load up a map, and it's going to show us all the production from KW in that area. Now coming over here to the right side, we have some options to help us find our referral partner. And through here you can see that the list is just sorted randomly. We can sort by all kinds of different measures here. We can click on someone and see a little bit more detail about that single person. We can click on their name, and it even pops out to be able to see the person and get a little bit more detail. This agent hasn't filled out too much of their information here, but if we jump back over to our map, one of the things I like to do is hit this filters menu over here on the right side, where I can filter maps, clients, luxury, commercial, land. I can select languages as well. That is super helpful for our bilingual or non-English speaking clients. We can find them an agent that speaks their language. We can also set different parameters around closings and the different price ranges that agents may be in, of average listing price and sales volume, to really find the person that we want to connect with. Now, once you do find someone that you want to connect with, you can come right in here and you see this little person with the plus sign. When you click on that, that gives you the invitation. You can write a little personal note and then send that invitation over to that agent. I definitely recommend still going through and looking up this person and giving them a phone call to connect with them, to make sure that you can start building that relationship with other agents. You can do this for any place across the United States that there is a KW, which across the United States there is all kinds of KW agents. You can also find agents in Canada as well in here, and be able to really service anyone who's going anywhere outside of the Denver metro area, outside of Colorado. You can find these referral partners. They'll all get added to your network of referrals that you can see in here. You can send referrals. It's real easy to send referrals, and it's a great system where you can actually set your referral fee for what you would like to set it as. And when you send them a contact in here, it actually doesn't show up until they've accepted your offer on the referral fee. They can counter you and come back with a lower number, but you still get the opportunity to say yes or no after they counter you. If they counter you, and it's that simple to be able to send out a referral from command. Now be careful, sometimes you still have to do the paperwork for the referral. It kind of just depends on the market center that you're in and the market center your referral partner is in as well. But this should get you started to help you find some more relationships around the nation to build with other agents in the KW world. All right, hope that helps.